science class. I hope you all doing well. Here I am also fine. Okay, we are going to start a new lesson today. Okay, that is fiber to fabric. Okay, what is fiber? Or what is the source of fiber? Did you ever think that when you go to textile shop, when you purchase the cloth materials, did you ever think that what is the source of this? From where this you will get the beautiful cloth items, what you like, the frock, what you wear, the pants, the jeans, okay, etc. What is the major source of this? Okay, in this lesson, mainly we are going to learn the fibers. From fibers, how can we reach us to the fabrics? Okay, this is we are mainly going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, for that you have to watch the video.
In this lesson fiber to fabric, can you see the major sources like animals, plants and chemicals? These are the sources. From this, how you will get that? How this converted to that? In order to know that, you watch the video completely. Let's learn it step by step. Okay, so along with a question arises. Children, did you ever think, is fabric really a continuous piece? How a cotton lumps converted to cotton thread? How a cotton thread converted to a cotton fabric? Okay children, did you see the silkworm? From the silkworm, how you will get a beautiful silk? Yes, in that process, the silkworm really get killed. Okay, why you should never wear synthetic fibers while working in kitchen? When you look around, you can see that the varieties of fabrics here. Okay, the clothes, the bed sheet, the pillow cover, the towel, the curtain, the blanket, the tablecloth, the shopping bag, and here you can see the school bag which you used. Okay, so this can be easily feel. We can identify it by touching it. Okay, what are fabrics? From where do we get fabrics? How these various items are made from fabrics? Okay, for this answer, okay, let us go into details. Okay, what are fabrics? Children, when you go to textile shop, you can see the bundles are being kept like this. This is called fabrics. Okay, now the fabrics either it can be stitched manually by sewing machine or it can be stitched by using the machines in the factory. So we will get the clothes, the bed sheets, the pillow covers, the curtains, the blankets, tablecloth, shopping bags, school bags, carpet, etc. Okay children, let's go into detail. When we look any fabric, it seems a continuous piece. Is fabric really a continuous piece, children? When you look these fabrics, you will come to know that it will be a continuous piece. But in order to understand in detail, so what you have to do is take the photographs and you zoom it. When you zoom this particular fiber, you can see that this is not continuous piece. Here what you can see? Here you can see the two strands are arranged in a vertical and horizontal. Okay, the vertical and horizontal strands are known as, yes, here we are going to learn the yarns. So children, what are yarns? Here you can see the yarns. Okay, so let us go into detail the yarns and how it is obtained. So take a fabric and take a small thread from this. Okay, this is the yarn. Okay, from the fabric you can separate the yarns. A fabric is made up of yarns arranged together. The yarns are arranged either in the vertical or horizontal forms. So what are yarns made up of? In order to understand this, from the fiber take a small thread. Okay, and that thread you make it a small pieces. From there you can see a fiber. Okay, is there any connection? Yes, yarns are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. So several strands of fibers are twisted together to make yarns. So fibers are twisted together to make yarns. So fabrics are made up of yarns and yarns are further made up of fibers. Or you can say that the fibers are several strands of fibers twisted together to form yarns, and the yarns are arranged together to form fabrics.
Children, still there is a question arises that from where do we get these fibers? Okay, if you wanted to know the sources of these fibers, okay, that we will discuss in the next class. Okay, it's a time to find up today's session. We'll see you on next class. Bye bye.